How to compress images on Android, reduce photo size. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So if your images size are very high, like each image size is 5 MB, 10 MB, and you want to compress it so you have space or for any other reason, so in this video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you will simply go to Chrome. You guys can use any other browser, so I'll simply go to Chrome. Now here you guys will simply search for image compressor. So I'll simply search for image compressor online. Once we search for that, here you guys can see the first website image compressor. Also you guys can see the second website imageconvert.org. Also you guys can see online image compressor. So simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will simply wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see choose image. So here you guys will simply choose the image that you want to compress. So I'll simply choose the image. So let's choose the image. Let's click on image. Now for example I want to compress that image. I'll simply click here. Now I will select it. Once we select it, here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see your image in all sizes, like it was on 36.52 KB and 50 KB. So it's up on you which version you want to download. You guys can download the lower compressor version and mid size. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.